To write the Lewis structure for NaI, sodium iodide, let's first write Na and then I. Sodium, that's a metal, and then iodine's a nonmetal. When we have a metal and a nonmetal, we have an ionic compound. And ionic compounds transfer valence electrons. So on the periodic table, we can find sodium. It has one valence electron. And then iodine, which is in group 17, sometimes called 7A, it has 7 valence electrons. In ionic compounds, the metal is going to transfer its valence electrons to the nonmetal. So with sodium, it transfers this valence electron here to the iodine. Because electrons are negative and sodium just lost that negative charge, it becomes positive. The iodine, which gained that negative charge, gained an electron, it becomes negative. And the positive metal and negative nonmetal, they're attracted. They form an ionic bond. To show that the electron was transferred from the sodium and that they aren't sharing any of these electrons like in a covalent bond, we need to put brackets around the negative ion. You'll also see brackets around the positive ion sometimes. And that makes this the Lewis structure for NaI, sodium iodide. Do note that this is what we call a formula unit. In ionic compounds, we have crystals, and they're made up of a bunch of these formula units in a repeating pattern. Still, this is useful to show how we transferred a valence electron from the sodium to the iodine to form the ionic bond. This is Dr. B with the Lewis structure for NaI, sodium iodide. Thanks for watching.